I want to ask, what are the lifestyle factors responsible for the headache? I think dietary changes, many people go for a diet also, and due to lack of sleep also, there can be headache, right, ma'am?
Yes.
So, can you throw some light on this? So,
Um, there are a lot of lifestyle factors which are playing important role. Sometimes maybe that I've seen a lot of patients, they're not taking breakfast in the morning. They're directly going for a brunch. So that is not a good habit. So any patient or any person, normal individual, they need to have a breakfast in the morning. If you skip your meals, or maybe you go for a crash diet, or maybe you go for an intermittent fasting, all these things are not good when it comes to a brain health, because brain needs definitive supply of nutrients. As we all know, brain is totally dependent on glucose for its metabolism. So taking meals at the right time and the right portion of the meal should be taken. At the same time, fasting we don't allow for any patient to do. Secondly, the sleep, for minimum 8 hours of sleep is extremely mandatory.
yes, yes.
Outdoor activities in form of 30 minutes of exercise, cardiac exercises, we definitely focus on all patients to do, in order to have a good brain health, good memory, good concentration, for reducing headache episodes. At the same time, staying away from the addiction is extremely important.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you take medicine, if you do rest of the lifestyle changes, but you are addicted and you are smoking, taking tobacco or alcohol consumption, all these factors ultimately at the end of the day, they aggravate your headaches and the secondary complications because of that. So having a good healthy lifestyle, having good meals, proportionate meals should be taken by any individual depending upon individual need. Good amount of antioxidants should be taken in the diet. Good amount of sleep, minimum 8 hours. Doing meditation, yoga also helps in most of the headache patients. So that is also extremely important. So lifestyle changes, they're extremely playing good role in managing headache patients. And the patients, they have to understand the significance of that. And we are always there to help such kind of patients.
So, dear audience, I hope now you have got answer. जो लोग ब्रेकफास्ट किए बिना अपने घर से बाहर काम के लिए निकल जाते हैं, डोंट रिपीट दैट. इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग वन, प्लीज टेक केयर. एंड जो भी मैम ने लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस आपको बताए, आई थिंक अभी आपको समझ आया होगा हाउ टू प्रिवेंट योर हेडेक.